Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this Animal World Air Dry Clay Kit. This is awesome and my kids are so excited. I'm super excited to show you what comes in this box and why I love this. So I love being able to do activities that help my kids use their creativity, be artistic, use their hands, eyes, get them off the screens. I love, love, love options like this, and this one is amazing. So it's air dry clay. If you've ever seen that, this stuff is really fun. It's like putty, but then it dries and it hardens a little bit, which is really, really cool. Now this is an amazing box because what it does is it comes with a whole bunch of these individual animals, and with it, it comes with the clay you need to make this design right here. So same, we've got a cute little red panda. It comes with everything you need to make the red panda, the normal panda. We've got all sorts of these in here, you guys. We've got a hedgehog, we've got a tiger. They come with everything you need to make this air dry clay little figure, and I am loving this because this is the Animal World based one. So they're making a whole bunch of different animals. We've got lions, monkeys, like all sorts of different things, and then it comes with the little tools that you need to like cut it, shape it, things like that. So I am stoked about this. My kids are so excited, and I am going to show you live what this looks like. So come with me to check out the little designs my kiddos create. All right, so when you open it up, it comes with the little guide of how to build the animal that's on the cover of it. So it gives you a step-by-step of what you need to do. And then here is my 8-year-old daughter absolutely loving this. So she's looking at each step, she's putting it together. It just does a really good job of making it simple, but it is also so dang cute and so fun for the kids to be able to do these artistic things with the set. I am loving this. If you were a little bit more frugal with your clay, you could definitely make a couple of these. She ended up using most of the brown clay, which I think if she broke it up a little bit, you could make more than one. And then here's the final product. How cute is that little monkey? You guys, this one is a 10 out of 10 and my kiddos are in heaven.